I hope 2023 will bring you a lot of love, laughter, and great multiple sclerosis recovery. I know what this is. It's just a pen, but it's super festive, right? I couldn't ask for a better group of people to bring in the new year with. I have a great feeling that 2023 will be our best year yet. Hey, it's Steve. I love it so much because of my latest addition. It's the weightlifting routine I talked about recently in this video. I know what you're thinking right now. Working out with MS? Now, that sounds crazy. Is Crazy Steve gonna go even farther? He's telling me now to work out every day? What the? It's not bad though. I'm not wave loading every day. I'm sticking with the wave loading routine every other day. But I'm filling in the empty days with the strength building workout that I talk about in the video I made for Marie B. I can't explain to you all the ways the routine is helping me build strength in my right hand. You know, the same one here that I'm holding this with. Something as simple as holding a bottle of water was never possible before. But now my right hand is like a vice holding it. Beyond that, the biggest thing I'm thankful for this year is the changes that are happening directly to my multiple sclerosis. This lifestyle. I love this lifestyle. I would have never developed it if it hadn't been for MS. I don't know where my MS would be if I had never started. I love it. Wow, that's a whole lot of love going around. How's your 2022? What are you looking forward to in 2023? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.